Hello, you're watching weekly review of the US stock market on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. The US stock indexes hit new peaks on Friday as the Wall Street cheered over the country's newly released upbeat economic growth data, as well as forecast-beaten results from the technology companies, including Google's parent company Alphabet, Amazon, and Microsoft. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index soared to a record high of 6,701.26. The weekly gain of Nasdaq was almost 60 points. The Dow Jones Industrial Average went up to 23,434.19, adding 85 points for the week. However, the index was wound down by the disappointing results from oil company Chevron and a downbeat report from pharmaceutical business Merck. The Dow was also undermined by the US dollar strengthening in the wake of a higher-than-expected third-quarter GDP figure. The Standard & Poor's 500 index spiked to a new peak of 2,581.07, only 5 points above the previous week lows. US real gross domestic product increased at an annual rate of 3% in the third quarter, beating market forecast for 2.5%. In the second quarter, real GDP rose by 3.1%. The third quarter increase reflected positive contributions from personal consumption expenditures, private inventory investment, non-residential fixed investment, exports, and federal government spending. Corporate earnings reports also came in positive after Thursday's closing bell for big tech giants Amazon.com Incorporated, Google parent company Alphabet Incorporated, Microsoft Corporation, and Intel Corporated all reported robust third quarter results. Amazon shares advanced by more than 11% on Wall Street, with the third quarter revenues up 34% to $43.7 billion, held by its recent purchase of the Whole Foods Market chain. Microsoft's shares gained around 8% as investors welcomed news of a 12% rise in revenues to $24.5 billion, better than the expected $23.56 billion. Alphabet's revenue jumped by 24% to $27.8 billion, with a stronger-than-expected advertising sales at Google and a strong performance from YouTube. The shares of the Google parent company rose in price by about 6%. You were watching weekly review of the US stock market prepared for you by InstaForex TV team with me, Kate Stichina. Have a profitable deals with InstaForex.